set effect. Wing Chun ninjutsu gonna break your neck.
In our last video, you might recall we were talking about the Spec Ops 2. Next in the invention line became the Parrot. Now, we went back to a narrower handle, fitting a little better in some people's hands. But the major improvement of this, of course, we still had the pummel, the sharp pummel. We still had the point in the back to move bodies around with, but it's these beak pieces. If 1 point forward was good, 2 points forward must be better. And what it opened us up to be able to do is come in over grabs and twist and shout. I mean, it just breaks fingers right off of you, so you don't have to worry about, gee, am I in the right place? This just fits nicely right over fingers and a nice twist, and off they come or break. And then we kept the digit capture hole. One of the cool things about the Parrot is obviously if somebody punches at you or kicks at you, you've got these 2 points that they run into. So it can do a lot of damage very quickly. The Parrot is a no-nonsense tool. Again, because of the narrower handle, it really fits well, purchasing well in the hand. And of course, it can go after Kushu points, pressure points very nicely. So this is the Parrot versus the lower profile Spec Ops 2. The Parrot. Very good tool.